Hey, if Tinfoil isn't installing games from your USB drive, that can be really frustrating, but here's how to fix it. First, make sure your USB drive is formatted correctly. Tinfoil works best with FAT32. If it's XFAT or NTFS, it may not be detected properly. Use a reliable high-speed USB drive because cheap or slow drives can cause install failures. Check that your game files are placed correctly on the USB. Follow Tinfoil's recommended folder structure so the app can recognize the files. Remove the USB drive, fully power off your console, then reinsert it and power the console back on. Sometimes a fresh start fixes the issue. Make sure both Tinfoil and your custom firmware are updated because outdated software can cause USB install errors. And if the problem persists, try a different USB port or another USB drive. Faulty ports or drives can prevent proper installation. Follow these steps, and USB install issues in Tinfoil should be fixed.